Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are doing a review on this wig. Okay, so this here is from Amazon.com and it was sent to me from a seller on that website. This is the wig and this is a deep wave 22-inch wig. Look how beautiful this wig is. Like the curls, girl, is just like so beautiful. So all I did, I just put some mousse and water and just comb it out. I have a lot to say about this wig pertaining the picture on Amazon. So this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. She had it on the side right here. So basically she has more lace. I don't have that. So I'm like, wait a minute, why she have it on the side and I can't put mine on the side like that? Like really? Because the hair that she has is not the same as this. It looks like they cut the hair, like we have some layers right here. So in the front is like pretty short, like right here you can see they cut that piece there, but it still look okay. So this here is from Loovoo store. So this is a Brazilian lace frontal human hair and they sent me a 22-inch. So this is 22. Okay, and it's 150 density. So this is a 4x4, so you really don't get a lot of lace. So I was trying to see how many lace in the back here. The lace stopped right here. So what I did, I just pluck it out a little bit and then I just put some powder there and that's about it. So this is the mousse that I've been using, Tropical Roots. You could get this at the beauty supply store. I use this mousse all the time, love it. So that's what I use on the hair and some water. I comb it out so you guys can see exactly how the hair look out from the bag. I use the mousse. So with the mousse, it's a little bit more tame. And that's how I like it. It's just like too much for me right now. Even though it's misleading in the picture, I still do like it. Do love this wig. I think it's a great wig. It's very thick. It's very curly, okay? So if you use the mousse, this is how it's gonna look. And if you don't use the mousse and you just use water, it's just gonna freeze up after the water is dry out. So this is why I use the mousse. And it has some wild white here like all over. You just like pluck it out and you're good to go. I would like to hear what you guys have to say about it. You could do whatever you want with it, but this is just a quick review on this wig. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like my wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family, and also like this video. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing, and to my OGs, thank you. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.